Okay, it's being set for CY, and we're going to change that one first to CN. I'm going to press the set to memorize, and let's see if the fan motor is off during defrost. And we're going to execute the manual defrosting. I'm going to press this icon here, and let's see if the fan motor is stopped. The fan motor is stopped. Ayan guys, namatay ang ating fan motor. Wala rin yung light dito na fan indicator. Naka-off nga siya during defrost. Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Maligayang pagdating sa aking channel. Today we're going to configure FNC parameter and its relationship with IDF and MDF. I'm going to discuss to you what is that FNC. Didiscuss ko sa inyo kung ano yung FNC na yan. Ang FNC guys is the fan operating mode. Under sa name niya or description, ito yung fan operating mode natin. Ang level niya is FNC, ang range CN, on, CY, OY, and the default is on. Is this ito ba ay angkop, mapa freezer o mapa chiller? Gayon, binigyan tayo ng range na 4. Ito ay CN, on, CY, at OY. And we're going to discuss that one by one. At ano nga ba ang purpose niya? Bakit meron pa ito? Let's find out guys. Why the manufacturer give us the opportunity to change from on to CN to CY to OY. CN guys is a fan motor runs with compressor off during defrost, and here is our compressor. Just in case that the defrost is being engaged, this fan motor here will stop spinning during defrost, and the purpose of that is water drops is not being scattered during defrosting, because we have a drain pan here. It has a drain pan and it has a defrost there. We have a defrost heater under here, and we don't want that the moist being dropped, it's being scattered. Ayaw natin guys na yung tumutulong moist na magiging tubig is mag-scattered, kaya pinapatay natin yung fan during defrost. That's the purpose of CN. And how about on, which is the default is stored in this control? The on, ang on daw ay laging nakaandar ang ating fan motor, at ang tanging pahinga niya lamang is mamamatay siya kapag dinefrost natin siya. And ito, this one guys is being set by the manufacturer, and it is a continuous mode. The purpose of this is in order to the coolness of the room is being distributed equally, and that is the purpose of the on. Because if the fan motor runs with compressor, just in case this compressor is stop pumping and it reaches the 1 to 4 degrees Celsius for chiller, at positive 1 the compressor is stop, and at the same time the fan motor also stop because you choose CN. While if you are on the on, even the compressor is stop upon reaching the positive 1, the fan motor is still running, but during the frost it is off. And for example, for CY, fan motor runs with compressor. This fan motor here is run with compressor on during the frost, and this on during the frost we're going to use this just in case our evaporator doesn't have a defrost heater, and a defrost heater looks like this. And this will be the neutral, and this will be the live, and it is being installed under this evaporator. Ang OY nga pala guys ay tatakbo siya kasama ng compressor. Pag nagpahinga ito, magpapahinga rin ito. At on during defrost. Ang purpose nito, just in case na tinanggal natin yung defrost heater. Okay? Tinanggal natin yung defrost heater. Is, ang purpose niya, just in case na mayroong frost na accumulated sa evaporator natin, yun na accumulate na frost, is magme-melt siya dahil naka-on yung ating defrost. Dahil naka-on yung ating fan during defrost. The another reason why guys that the CY is being set by the manufacturer in order for us for the heaterless defrosting for chiller, but for freezer never. This is only applied for chiller because the temperature is 1 to 4 degrees Celsius, and just in case our room sensor got a problem and we have a frost accumulated here during defrosting. For example, here the IDF, which is the interval between the frost cycle, we have a range of 1 to 120 ore. This is Italian word meaning hour in English. And for example, you set that to 6, meaning every 4 hours the defrost will engage. Every 4 hours the unit will defrost, and if you're a heaterless, you didn't change the 30 minutes cycle for the max length of defrost. Therefore, if you choose this for heaterless, this fan motor here acts as a heater, and at this state you save electricity because this heater is range from 700 watts to 400 watts, and you save electric for chiller, but for freezer never disengage this defrost. Is that clear? Ito nga pala guys, ito ang gamitin natin kung sakali na hindi tayo gagamit ng defrost heater para sa chiller. Pwede natin tanggalin to o pwede natin siyang i-disable. Bakit? Dahil ito kasi guys is yung ano daw natin, yung fan motor natin runs with compressor. So pag nagpahinga ang compressor, magpapahinga din ito. So may pahinga siya. Pag umandar siya, aandar siya, at kapag during defrost, naka-on siya. Ang purpose niya para tunawin yung frost na namumuo sa ating evaporator. Tutunawin niya. That's the purpose. And same with here, continuous lang siya. Ito naman tatakbo with compressor. Ito continuous mode, just in case you don't want to jeopardize the temperature of your product inside the cabinet, and you want that coolness to be distributed equally. So the next on of your unit at 4 degrees Celsius, it will be on, and during the frost this is on. So both of these you can use either OY or CY. The only difference is OY is a continuous mode, meaning if the compressor stops, the fan motor keeps on spinning. And for CY, for example, the compressor stops, the fan motor also will stop. And you're gonna use both of these for heaterless defrosting. You can use this for heaterless defrosting for chiller. Take note, for chiller, for chiller. Now guys, we're going to actual these 4 choices here for the FNC. And to enter that, let's press the set and arrow down button for 3 seconds. And another set and arrow down button for 7 seconds to enter the hidden parameter. And let's locate for the FNC CN. I'm going to press the set to memorize, and let's see if the fan motor is off during defrost. And I'm going to press the set and up button to go back to the display, and we're going to execute the manual defrosting. I'm going to press this icon here, and let's see if the fan motor is stopped. The fan motor is stopped. Ayan guys, namatay yung ating fan motor. Wala rin yung light dito na fan indicator. Naka-off nga siya during defrost. And let's abort that one, and we're going to set to on, which is the default. The on, the fan motor keeps on running, and off during defrost. Again, let's enter the parameter FNC, another set and arrow down button for 7 seconds. There, and let's locate FNC again. Set, and let's choose the on, which is the default. Set to memorize, and set and up button to go back to the display. Then let's execute the defrost again, and let's see if the fan motor is stopped. There is it. Yan guys, namatay siya. So pipiliin natin to kung ayaw natin na babaha ang water sa ating cabinet, dahil kung nagka-ice tayo dito, mag-i-scatter dyan, bababa yung tubig, at may possible magka-tubig tayo sa ating cabinet. And let's going to abort this one guys, and let's choose the OY, and take note guys, OY is for the heaterless defrosting for chiller. And once again, let's enter the programming mode, set and arrow down button for 3 seconds, and another set and arrow down button for 7 seconds to enter the hidden parameter. And let's proceed to FNC parameter again. Press set, and let's change that to CY, and set to memorize, and set an up button to return to the display mode, and let's execute the manual defrosting and take a look. While defrosting, the fan motor is being activated, and as I've discussed a while ago, you choose this setting if you are your intention is for the heaterless defrosting. And let's proceed guys to the OY, and OY is continuous mode, while this one run with the compressor. This one is continuous mode. So ideally choose this for the heaterless. Again, let's enter the parameter, and another set and arrow down button for 7 seconds. Let's browse for the IDF first. IDF here is set to 3, but in this case you need to change that to 6. So every 4 hours your unit will defrost for heaterless. And your MDF, set that to either 20 or 30 minutes. So you have an ample time to melt, just in case we have a frost accumulation here. And next, we're going to change the FNC, since that is our topic. Set and change to OY. Set. OY, as I've said, is ideal for heaterless defrosting. And set an up button for the display. And let's execute again. Ito guys, engage natin siya. At tignan nyo, compressor off for defrosting, on. Compressor, the fan motor keeps on running. So the defrosting is end up after 30 minutes, and it will defrost every 4 hours for 24 hours counting of this unit. If you have question guys, just comment it down, and if on-call technician is not busy, I'm going to answer that, God willing. And that's the purpose of FNC with a relationship with IDF and MDF. Thanks for watching until then. God bless.